security guard said, no, it's only open on weekends. So right now we're on our way to Lake
Canyon Lake.
Right now,
Canyon Lake.
right now we're on our way to Canyon Lake. So guys, if you are new here, this is Bretsky. Yeah, I'm a good old friend from way back from Diaper days. I'm just kidding. But yeah, it wasn't supposed to be a road trip, but it turns out that it's going to be a road trip.
Yeah, it's a nice drive through sort of the canyon roads. So it should be nice
day out.
Yeah, nice day out. We're gonna, experience the water. We got our swim trunks just in case.
Well, you got swim trunks, so yeah. So we realized that we weren't going to, go to Six Flags. We just stop by a store, grab some towels and swimwear, and make the most of the day.
For reference, this is the north side, like it's north of San Antonio, kind of sort of in between Austin and San Antonio. This is kind of like a weekend getaway spot that most people go to vacation, just like a weekend trip. It's a real scenic area. Some people come and swim, just enjoy it.
Yeah.
So yeah.
So that's one more spot that you can check out if you are in San Antonio. Guys, so if you haven't subscribed us yet, hit that subscribe button right down below, right there. That red button. Yeah. Like this video, share the video, and leave a comment and let me know if you'll be visiting Canyon Lake, not Lake Canyon. Alright guys, see you shortly.
We're going now to a scenic spot that's, I guess, at least on Google it said this is like a scenic spot. So I think that'll be a better spot for viewing the lake.
Yeah. The houses on here so much expensive.
Are they expensive? Well, some of these are like, you can tell some of them aren't bad.
Yeah, but because it's located on the lake.
For where it's located? Maybe. I don't know. I honestly don't know how expensive these are.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are now entering Canyon Lake.
I know my mom taught me that. I figured why we fool around so little, and we keep track of time, being so serious, idiots, thinking it will mama to keep me company downtown before the clock runs out. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too.
This is a good spot to like go on the shore anyway. Oh,
Because it will be cold right now. Just imagine if I should go into the water.
Yeah.
Repeat this is water. Water. Oh, you said water. Water. That's the right pronunciation. Water. Water. Yes, guys. This is Canyon Lake. It's a bit cold. When I say it's a bit cold, it is cold right now. So guys, I don't think I will be going in that water at all. Because if I go in that, when I come out, I gotta freeze. Because it me feel so right now. No sir. It's beautiful though, very scenic. Look behind me, guys. Beautiful, right? Would you come here? Would you come here? Let me know, let me know. I wonder what's over that side where I see Gretzky. Where I see some people walking over there, so I wonder where that road leads to. You see? Some people walking.
Yeah, I think it's just I don't know, it's just like a route to walk. I don't know if it leads to anywhere particular. Probably go hiking.
Let's go down there
You
to
want
see
a
what's
Reese's?
down. Gracias, señor. Thank you. Reese's.
It's a little melted, but
Thanks. Here you
oh,
go,
look at the
guys.
bird
Take
right there. There's a
bite.
falcon thing.
Oh, yeah. You like Jamaican jackfruit?
It's like,
You hear me say?
it's like cruising.
He said look like a Jamaican jackfruit. Vulture.
Vulture?
Yeah, like a jackfruit. Yeah.
Like literally like windsurfing. They're like,
That's what I said. They look like Jamaican jackfruit because now.
that's what they do?
Yeah. Alright, let's take a walk since we're not going to swim.
Yeah,
Take
well,
your mind. Now go swim. You going to swim?
yeah, I want to just eat some chips. You have?
You going to go swim?
No.
Wow, just look at this. Pretty, isn't it? Yeah. It's about to be sunset soon, guys. Just look at this. Oh my god, it's breathtaking. Yeah, so this is the walkway I was showing you from down by the bottom, guys. You see people are taking a stroll along this side. Oh, look down there. It's beautiful, right?
It's Texas Hill Country.
Yeah.
They call it.
Perfect. Perfect. Perfecto. Alright, so we're just gonna walk all the way down by the end of this road to see what's down there. How you liking it?
Oh yeah, I'm liking it. It's the first time I'm here too, so it's very beautiful, very scenic. Great place to, come take a little picnic. Come especially in the evening, or I think is a good time. Yeah, because you get the sunset.
I agree. I agree. Yeah. Look how it falls on the water. This is awesome. Yeah. I'm gonna actually sit and watch the sun go down. You know me already. So yes, guys, we are now at the end of the road. So nothing down here really to offer. Yeah, so that's it. So let's head back. Yeah, so this is basically it, guys. This is what Canyon Lake is like. I guess if it were warmer, you'll see people maybe having like a picnic, right?
Picnic? Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely on the grass here. Absolutely.
Yeah. So maybe in the summer, so yeah, if we revisit, well, I won't revisit in the summer, but I guess you would see people like having a picnic, going for a swim, and so forth. It's quite a long walk back, but it was quite enjoyable walking on this leg of Canyon Lake. Yes, what I really enjoyed about visiting Canyon Lake today, guys, even though I didn't get to swim, is the view. You know, beautiful, guys. So when you do visit San Antonio, ensure that you come to Canyon Lake. Oh, Bresky, say bye to the NoMediocre Crew.
Bye guys, love you. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.
You get it, man, you get it.
Bam!
So on to next time, guys. See ya on the next video. I vow to never be mediocre. You should also vow to never be mediocre.